Thank you. Thank you, Gillian. I just sort of like I was initially working as a coordinator in the community welfare, and due to personal for 4 years I worked, and then due to personal reasons I resigned. And for the past 2 years I've been working with my own community. It's been a wonderful experience, and it all started off with it goes very well with this. Graffiti grants program. It all started with the graffiti problem in our area. We had huge problem, and that's where we started off. Myself and one of our residents, we both of us started off, and we contacted the council to help us, deal with this issue. And from then on, it was really good. The council gave us a good support, and also with the grant from the Department of Justice, we were able to get the residents involved, and we also had productive services officers patrolling our area for the maybe past couple of months or 3 months, which really helped us in that as well. And from then on, we addressed other issues as well with the parking issues, because the station is very close to the area. People started parking off the cars in front of the nature strip, and it was really a tough thing for us as residents. And again, the council came in, and we as residents got involved, and we had established we put on some parking signs, and and the other issue, which was the tool library, which we started off to help us to remove the graffiti with the graffiti kids, and also with the keeping our grass clean in front of our houses, which was really good. And these are things which really happened and was really great. And as a resident, we really enjoyed it. It was fun also working with the council. The things which I like to see is like to have the group incorporated. We are not incorporated at the moment, so I would like to see the group incorporated and hold some community events. I think the community holding some community events will give us a space for us to increase the awareness of certain issues which I was talking about, and council has offered the support to do it. But we thought of doing it on the 1st of June. Unfortunately, it has rained, and probably we'll have some other place to do it. And that's what I would finish off with mine. But last but not the least, and we are nothing can be achieved without the help of funding. So I would appreciate organizations like Justice of Peace and any other organizations which can help us to move forward and achieving all these outcomes. That's what I feel. Thank you.